How do you find your soul's purpose? You know, I struggled with that for years. And, you know, I was under the impression that your soul's purpose was that God had something specific for you to do. How many of you read that before in your life? You know, there's something unique that's for you to do. And a lot of books have been written about how to discover your purpose and, you know, what are the top 10 things that you like doing? What are the causes that you're passionate about? What are your talents? What are the things you enjoy? Those are all very good, very helpful to understand. But I'm going to say that has nothing to do really with ultimately with your real purpose. Our purpose is not about what we do. Our purpose is about waking up spiritually to who we are, spiritual beings.